Have you ever wondered how to effectively double your heating capacity for a single duct system when one unit just isn't enough? The answer lies in twinning, a precise method of connecting two gas furnaces to operate in perfect synchronization. Welcome to PartsHnC. Twinning is the practice of linking two furnaces to operate in tandem, which becomes necessary when a single furnace cannot deliver the required heating capacity for a large duct system. The key principle is that both units must work in perfect unison, both blowers turn on together, and both burners light in sequence. Achieving this requires specific wiring. The first method utilizes a simple relay. In this setup, with two control boards and one thermostat, the thermostat switches to heating mode, energizing the circuit by supplying 24 volts between the R and W terminals. To link the boards, a wire connects the C and W terminals on the first board to the coil of a common relay. When this coil receives 24 volts, the normally open contacts close, completing a separate circuit that energizes the R and W terminals on the second board. For proper blower operation, the commons, Y terminals, and G terminals must all be connected, ensuring both fans energize simultaneously. Technicians can verify operation by measuring C to W, which should display around 28 volts, confirming the relay coil is energized. The second method involves the twin terminal found on some modern boards. In this configuration, a wire runs directly from the twin terminal on the first board to the twin terminal on the second. This direct connection facilitates communication, ensuring the blowers operate in unison without needing to connect the G terminals. This system primarily uses W, R, and C wires, typically with a relay. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual and ensure your thermostat is correctly programmed for gas. These systems are often paired with large outdoor split systems, making proper wiring essential for safe, efficient operation. If you found this technical guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC insights and tutorials. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.